Welcome to this meditation for times of change and uncertainty to relieve anxious thoughts, navigate yourself, and find inner peace no matter what is happening around you. There are moments in life when we are going through massive change. What was normal life yesterday has become very different today, mainly because of our attachment to the comfort we had, people around us, and material things. Once we lose it, we might experience all sorts of reactions like fear, anxiety, uncertainty, and depression, as we often tend to live in the past or in the future. Once your past is gone and the future is very unknown, it becomes discomforting for our minds. Your mind wants certainty, comfort, and control. Times of change give us a unique opportunity to test and strengthen our humanity, compassion, character, and adaptability. It also shifts and widens our perspective and lets us focus on things that really matter. Accepting the change gives freedom to the mind and flexibility to adapt to a new reality. This freedom lies in the space between stimuli and our reaction. So let's find that space and make it wider to choose our reactions wisely. If possible, sit outside or near a window and leave the eyes open. Set the intention to rest in awareness of your present time experience. Place the awareness on the body and the breath, taking in where you are and how you are sitting. Begin by noticing where you can feel motion in the body as you sit still. Rest with the breath and pay attention to the abdomen, chest, shoulders, and anywhere else you can sense the change. Open to your sense of hearing. Notice the presence of any noises, specifically tuning in to their changing nature. You may hear cars coming and going, your breath flowing in and out, birds chirping and stopping, or any other sounds as they rise and eventually fade away. When a sound comes into your awareness, focus on it for a few moments before opening up to other sounds again. Finally, use your sense of sight and see the movement in the world. What can you see that is moving or changing? There may be obvious movement, like cars driving, trees blowing in the wind, or people on the move. You may also notice subtle signs of movement and change, like the browning leaves of autumn, clouds floating across the sky, or a pothole that has been growing. The world is always moving without you noticing it. You can participate on some of its movement or step back and observe. You cannot change the direction of the wind, but you can find a way to make this wind useful. So keep observing the moving world around you for the next few moments. Now return to the sensations of movement in the body. As you go on with your day, see how you can keep this awareness of the constantly moving world like movies on a screen and decide where you will play a role. And no matter what, keep inner peace and continue moving forward. Be grateful for any difficulty that you might face and let the courage and wisdom be with you in these moments. Let me close this session with a quote by John Kabat-Zinn. You can't stop the waves, but you can learn to surf.